Look at all of our snacks. Look at how puffy the bags are.
I didn't even thought about that.
Snacks with a view. Hey y'all,
Hi,
I'm Hannah.
I'm Jeremy.
We are the Savory Suitcase.
And it's pouring.
We're getting wet.
It's cold.
Let's get back in the car.
This was her idea.
There's a cowboy.
I'm calling him Bob.
We're in Colorado. Hold on. Okay, that's better. It's not raining anymore.
Nope.
And now we have made it to Cañon City.
Mm-hmm.
It is about an hour outside of Colorado Springs. So this morning we checked out of our hotel and we have made it down here to take our train ride on the Royal Gorge Railway.
Railway.
So this morning on our way out of town, we stopped at a coffee shop called Wayfinder.
Yeah. So it was a really cool.
Travel theme.
Very much up our alley. A travel theme. So there's a lot of maps on the walls and globes and travel books and all kinds of stuff. Some suitcases.
Hat cases.
And hat cases.
That's
you Forrest Gump fans out there. But yeah, super cool little place. There, you know, they had some breakfast items and we shared some stuff. And then when we got out of there and got on the road.
And we had a campfire s'mores.
A Colorado campfire s'mores
cup of
latte.
Coffee. That was delicious.
So, but yeah, so now we're in Cañon City. So we're in this nice little old school, kind of Western style downtown area before we catch our train is at 3:30.
We also stopped at a orchard stand on our way into town. We picked up some nectarines and some cherries, which I thought were really cool. That's not something that I think the Rainier cherries that we have in Florida, they were kind of sour. And then we actually noticed as we were checking out of our hotel this morning that we had a picture up on the wall of the train ride that we're going to take, the old one from before, I think like in the 1800s.
Yeah, like back when it was initially put in, and then of the bridge, the hanging bridge that goes across that will go underneath. Which we'll show you, and we'll talk more about that. But you can actually walk across the hanging bridge.
We're not doing that.
We will not be doing that because we will actually be going on the train that goes underneath it, way below where you'll walk over it. But hopefully we'll be able to show you footage of people walking over the bridge as we go underneath it.
Yeah, and we may actually see some rafters going down the Arkansas River too.
Mm-hmm.
That's
some whitewater rafting.
Yeah.
There's a lot of that goes on over here too. So yeah, hopefully some super cool stuff we get to show you.
We're very excited for this. So we're gonna walk around town a little bit. Before that, maybe grab a bite to eat, and then we'll board the train. made it to the train ride.
Yeah, so cool.
It is going to board in about 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
We have seats on the Vista Dome.
Yeah,
It's
you
a
can
little.
see it. Turn this way.
Oh yeah.
Come this way. That thing. Huh.
Not that one, but the
this
one
thing. Oh,
over there.
oh. That guy. The glass dome ceiling. So we'll have a ceiling view, and there is open air deck, which will be further back, which we'll show you guys too, which everybody can go out on, and it's completely open. It's like a big flatbed, wide open, just railings on the sides, and you can get open view of everything around you, open air as you travel through the gorge. So should be super cool. It does look a little bit like rain.
Yeah, I brought an umbrella and some ponchos.
But hey, at least if it does, we have the glass dome.
Yeah.
So it is a bit more expensive. These are the most expensive tickets on the train, but
the whole experience is kind of pricey, but I think it's totally worth it.
Yeah, I mean, we're hoping that you know, there is drink service and I think even food service in the Vista Dome. So it's basically like what would have been first class if this was like train service back in like when trains were the primary source of transportation.
You know, the golden days.
The golden days, yes. But yeah, we're super excited.
Yeah.
It looks like they're starting to let people into the preloading area. So,
so this was one of my birthday presents. So
Yeah.
I'm very excited to enjoy a last final birthday gifts. as you can see, we've changed locations.
Golly. Yesterday was...
We totally forgot to film our outro.
Sorry.
So here we are at Rocky Mountain National Park.
So we'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Let's just...
Join us for next week.
Yeah.
To see more of this.
We need to sleep.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We'll
catch you up. We got some epic stuff coming next week, but we're gonna go do it now.
Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed our video today of the Royal Gorge Railway. It was amazing. Leave us a comment below of what your favorite part was, and like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, please.
And we'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Oh, it's Buddy's Diner.
You taking video?
Yes.
Why?
You know, because the vlog.
No.
Watch out.
How did people carve stuff there? Did they like... How did you get up there? Look at that. This is some rocks, man. It's incredible.